Plug it in and get ready to rock.
Sit your ass down with the hands of the clock.
With Renegade Pineapple so sublime.
Like, comment, subscribe. It's
Hello! Welcome back to Mario Odyssey. We're in the last bit of the game. We're on the motherfucking moon. Let's fight this lady.
Wow, she's breathing heavily.
Yeah. She's like, I'm gonna fight you at some point, but right now I just need to sit down.
I found you. Again. Oh, Jesus, this dog is wearing me out. In fact, you're quite rude.
My darling
Killing all my kids.
Yeah, we did kill all of her kids.
Yeah.
So they were related.
I'm assuming they were her kids.
As you just said, my darling broodal, so it sounds like it. They're her brood.
My brooders.
Do you remember how to fight her?
Vaguely.
It's
Oh yeah,
just the chain chomp. Yeah, dodge out of its way, then hit it. Run away and then stop being it so it pings back at her. That's it.
Ping. In the face.
Wasn't you fought her the first time we did this?
Yeah, it was.
It was?
Yeah.
Oh, dang, it's got 3 hats now.
Ah!
I like to up the difficulty because of the lore of this game. They're just like, we'll just put more hats on.
Yeah.
How can we make this boss more hard? More hats?
Yes. Oh, I've got to do this again.
Oh, that didn't take very long. You're like right there anyway. So just hold Y to charge it up, then when you flash, let go of it.
Tackle, 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 tackle. America.
Then go to the left and become the other one. Without falling off the level.
Yeah. Whoa.
I wonder if he can just run across those with a charge. Don't. Oh, you can try it. Yeah.
It was worth a try.
Yeah. It worked, so definitely worth a try.
Oh.
Just hold it straight forward. You gonna die down here.
Oh. Well, at least I've got coins.
Yeah.
So, silver lining and whatnot.
Plus you went back barely any of the level, so. It's all good. They look so mad.
To be fair, I would be if somebody just hit me with their hat.
And knocks my football helmet off of my face.
He probably paid top dollar for that. Or he might not have. That's very presumptuous that he did.
Yeah, maybe he's a cheap bastard. Or maybe he can't afford it.
Bought it from sportsdirect.com.
With the annoying fucking trumpets. What they're known for more than for what they sell. For me, personally. I know they sell sports stuff.
No,
Just go in a straight line. Why are you going side to side? Can you not hold an analog stick straight?
I thought we were just going to continue going and going and going.
Like I say,
Yes.
straight fucking line. You don't need to try and hit the boulders, they're all coming at you. Just hold it fucking forward.
Not even doing that.
There we go.
Yeah, now you can deal with the consequences.
Yeah, it looks like there's quite a lot of other bits to do, doesn't it? It'd be weird to just have this boss fight, then go straight into the Bowser boss fight.
Yeah.
So I feel like there must be another little bit of level before we get to him. That's it.
Doing better than last time.
Yeah, you gotta make sure you focus on dodging him as well.
Don't you hit me. Smack.
Nice. Nice.
Hang. There's nowhere to pick up health here as well, so you need to be extra careful. And I wasn't.
Get out of the way of the arrows. You can't run away from it. You need to move out of the path.
I wonder what's in these.
Probably not. It's just coins, I think. None of them are shiny, so it's not going to be anything. Or if it is, it doesn't really matter.
Yeah, I'm just gonna
Go and do the fight. Yeah.
do it in a straight line as well. Well, this is going to put me at a bit of a disadvantage when the fight comes.
Yeah, it's a shame there's not like a thing to give you full health just before you start. Ow! Just left me for dead, dude! That was harsh!
That was very harsh on my part.
Make sure you get out of the way of the arrows. That's more important than hitting it, is not getting hit.
Yeah!
Yeah! Splendid! You hit that lady right in the face!
Oh, she's steaming mad now.
There you go. That's it. Well done. You remember, if you hold down the button, the hat stays there, so you can just leave the hat in his path. Then it will hit it.
Ah, come on.
Yeah, if you can get out of the way of the arrows, then throw the hat and hold down the button, it will stay there.
Straighten up. It is annoying that these guys can't jump.
Yeah, that you have to switch between them. But I suppose it's the end bit.
Probably
There
make
needs to
it
be
too
some
easy,
level
yeah.
of challenge, doesn't there?
Yeah, it would just make it too easy. Right, this time, just stay straight.
If you need to move, just move it slightly rather than... You always seem to make one big turn and that's
Yeah.
what makes you fall off.
She didn't notice me.
Just sneak up behind her and
Yeah.
attack her instead.
Woof woof.
Woof woof, I'm a dog kind of. Not really, but you
Yeah.
know.
I know plenty of dogs that look like that. What?
What?
How have you possessed my doggy?
Bush.
How did that not just break her face?
Kind of did. She looked all weird for a second.
She always looks weird.
Yeah, she's got like a very jowly face. All the fucking rabbits have, they've got like... They look like rubber masks, don't they? I suppose I haven't done a tie-in. You know they did Mario and the Rabbids from Rayman as a game?
Yeah.
Surprised none of these rabbits are in that. Or maybe I just haven't got up to a bit where they are, but it seems weird because it seems like an obvious
Oh shit,
connection.
4 hats. 4 hats.
Also, did you just get hit twice? This must be the last bit though. So
Yeah.
play extra safe. That's it. Run.
Ah!
Dang it!
can just roll away from
Yeah, if that's slightly
mad bitch
faster.
woman. Yeah.
Do the roll, do the long jump. Just make sure you're not getting hit more than you're hitting it. Like, you've got more opportunity to hit it than just that one time, but you've got only 3 chances to get hit.
Right, so I can't. Fuck off.
Did you get hit? You hit it. Wah. Go, 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 go.
Go, go, go. I think there's a spark.
Buzz, buzz,
between
buzz, buzz.
us.
That one's perfect because you can see where the end of it's going to be. And you're nearly down already.
Supposed to
No,
get
no, no,
desperate,
no, no,
yeah.
no, no. Blah, 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 blah. Perfect. Dodge. Yes. That's the one.
Just like that. Oh yeah, smack her in her face. 5 hats?
You're doing better this time. Focusing on the dodging is the way to go. If you can make that happen, that makes it much easier as well.
Ah.
You should have gone the... You were walking out of the way, then you walked back in its way. Getting closer though.
Yeah. Didn't help that I had 2 lives.
Do 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 do.
Love doing that. It's like, I know you've made my life easier, but yeah. I'll kill you.
You're not my problem anymore, so...
Yeah, so now I don't have to touch the controller.
Yeah.
Oh, fucking hell.
Maybe touch it at the end to make sure that you don't get hit by a boulder.
Too early.
That's it. Dodge. And leave that one. Dodge. And hit. Don't run in its path. You did really well last time, but now you've gone back to what you were doing before that kept getting you hurt. Focus on not getting hit more than hitting. Should be a rule in general life anyway.
Yeah.
That's it. Even on the last one, even when the hat's gone, you need to make sure you dodge.
Gonna do it. All Charlie 5 hats.
That's it. Stay there because you can see where it's going to end. That's it. Just keep running away. That's it.
Woof woof.
Leave it, leave it, leave it. the one.
No, you can't catch me. You can't catch me. Yeah.
There you go. Blag!
Surprise!
Blag! You're gonna just milk her dead. Blag! Blag! Sweet, I wonder what's through the white door then. There must be a little bit more level before Bowser. It'd be weird if there wasn't.
Hold on. Victory speed!
Yay! See what happens when you pet them flames as well, you might as well.
Yeah.
It's normally a thing. Why wouldn't it be just at this last bit? Hey!
Health. Perfect.
Sweet. Let's go into this abyss.
Roll into the abyss.
Cool. We're back on the surface. Backflip or something. Oh no, you can just walk around. Oh no, this is the church. I feel like we should stop here then.
Yeah.
As much as it's slightly early, hit the flag, and then we'll stop outside the church, and next episode I'll go and do the church and finish up, I guess. Let's stop here, don't even go up. Don't even go up! Don't even give him the satisfaction!
I'm at the church.
That's it for this episode. Next time, we're gonna ruin a wedding.
See you next time.
Bye.
Bye. He loves coriander.
Oh, this motherfucker, I refuse to cook for you if you love coriander. Like, you can like coriander, but if you love it, we've got a problem.